Open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the 2 screws using a T25 Torx driver. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Push down on the filter to slide the tabs back into their catch. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, reinstall the screws. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.